Oh my gosh. I'm watching the 2017 Magical Mirai. Why am I watching 2017 Magical Mirai? Because when I got home from work today, what showed up at my door, what was outside my door was this box. It is an enormous box from Tokyo Otaku Mode. But it is enormous. The box is huge. And I know what's in it. And that's why I'm watching 2017 Magical Mirai. Because I ordered that in 2017. But the box is huge. Holy moly. So I'm watching this, and I'm going to open it up tomorrow because it's really late here in Minnesota now, so I'm going to go to bed soon. But I'm psyching myself up to open the box tomorrow. That's pretty pathetic. But anyway, oh gosh, what a great Magical Mirai. Anyway, but the box is so huge. Well, hello everybody. It's June 21st, 2019, and I got my box finally. This is a box that I received from Tokyo Otaku Mode yesterday, and it's enormous. The box is huge. So I put on my shirt from 2017 Magical Mirai because I think I know what's in it. So let's open it together, huh? So, okay. I've been waiting for this delivery since October of 2017. That's like a year and a half ago. This box is enormous. It's the biggest Miku box I've ever received in my entire... Okay, let's see what it is. Yay! It is what it is. Okay, so this is the 10th anniversary version memorial box set of Hatsune Miku 2017. That's why I'm wearing my shirt. Oh my gosh, it's way bigger than I thought. Holy cow, this box is huge. And there's a lot of packaging, so that's like it. So let's see. Holy cow! It's enormous. It's way bigger than I thought. Bubble wrapped. Wow. That is a memorial box if I've ever seen it. To celebrate her 10th anniversary. 10th birthday. I gotta move it a little closer so you can see. Okay, so, geez, how do I even open this box? It's enormous. Wow. From Good Smile. 1/7 scale painted figure Hatsune Miku 10th anniversary memorial box. So it's a memorial box, oh boy. Okay, let's see how I can open this thing. How do you even open it? Good Lord. So I'll post some pictures of this too, but first let's figure out how to open it, huh? So last night I psyched myself up by watching the entire 2017 Blu-ray disc of the concert, which was fun to do. Holy Hannah, it's like a puzzle. Okay, there's got to be some kind of trick here. Oh, tape is good. Here we go. Maybe? Oh. Holy cow, is there, whoa! There's a lot to it. Okay. So, what comes with the, let's see, so what comes with it is a box, well we know the box, but also a book. So the book almost fell out onto the floor just now. Gosh, the Japanese know how to pack things, that's no doubt. Lots of tape and very well protected. Okay, so here's the book. So while I'm unpacking, I'll tell you that I ordered this on October 10th, 2017, October 10th. And I paid, I mean, it wasn't cheap, $252.77 US dollars. So $252, roughly $253 is what I paid for it. But okay, so this is the 10th anniversary book. Let's see if I can open it carefully. So these are all kind of limited edition, I guess. Wow. It's in a book, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got Miku line all up and down it. And holy cow, these are, it's in like a protective plastic case. So the book, yeah, the book contains all kinds of historical items. That will be really fun to look at. Including Snow Miku, all the history, all the different Figmas. There's just a lot. Oh, a timeline showing when things were created. Oh, this will be super fun. A ton of artwork. Oh, wow. Yeah, this will be a great book to look at, but not now. Okay. So wow, there she is. I don't know if you can see her. So it's the butterfly. I call her the butterfly Miku because she has kind of a butterfly ribbon on her back. I think she looks like a butterfly with butterfly wings, but extremely rare Figma. Probably because of the cost, $252 US dollars. It's out of reach for some people. I completely understand. But I waited a year and a half for this, so I'll take some pictures and then I'll post those too. Awesome, she finally came to me. Yay. Not today.